Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be going over this rigid brushless power drill. This is model R86115. So we're going to be going over the tool features of this, and then we're going to be showing you how to put on all the attachments. So we'll start off like we do with all of our videos, show you how to remove and reinstall the battery. So to remove the battery, you just want to press in these two buttons and just pull straight out. And then to reinstall, you just want to line up these grooves with these grooves right here, just like that, and then just push till you hear a click. And then you can see the battery has a nice indicator light, and you can see we have a full charge here. So yeah, we'll just be going over pretty much everything on this drill. So we'll work our way up the tool. You can see we have the trigger. Right now it's locked, so we have this button right here, and when the button is pressed in the middle, it locks the trigger. And then if you press this side, that puts it in forward. If you press this, reverse. And then, like I said, in the middle, just halfway between both, that locks it. That's your safety. So you can see this is a 2-speed drill. So when this button is pressed down, we're in speed 1. So that's your lower speed. And then when you press it up, that's speed 2. That's your highest speed. And then this dial right here, these are your torque settings. So we'll go all the way down. So this would be on 1. This is your lowest torque setting. And then you just crank it up depending on what you're drilling. So it goes all the way up to 22. That would be your highest torque. And then this little hammer right here, this is your hammer function, and this would be for drilling through any sort of masonry or concrete. So you would want to use this. It kind of has like a hammer function on it. So now we'll show you how to install a bit. You can see it has the keyless chuck, like all of them have. When you rotate it from here, it would be, I guess, clockwise if you're looking at it like this. You can see the chuck closes. So we're just going to open it up, put our bit in, and then just twist, and it locks. You can hear it click and lock. So that's locked now. And then to unlock it, you just twist it that way, remove your bit. And so this actually comes with this dual-sided bit. Comes with Phillips and flathead. And then this is your belt clip. We'll show you how to install that. And then this is just the little bit holder that you can put on the other side of it. So then it comes with these 2 screws. Now I got this, it was a combo kit. I got this brushless drill and then a brushless impact. I got it as like a combo package from Home Depot actually for like $230. But I did some research and I found it on Amazon for about 200 bucks. So if you're interested in buying this and the brushless impact, I'll put a link in the description on where you could buy both for $200 instead of $230, which is what I paid. So it's pretty great deal for these 2 brushless tools. So we'll show you how to put on this additional handle. And this is nice because I did a review on a Milwaukee and you had to like put these clamps on separate. This all comes as one piece, and you pretty much want to line up the grooves right here with these grooves right here. I'll show you, zoom in. That groove on that side, and then that groove on that side. It slides right into place. So if you're a right-handed person, you're going to want to face the drill like that, and you're going to want the handle on like this because you're going to be using your right hand to pull the trigger, your left hand to hold this handle for stability. So you just pretty much line up these grooves, put it into the slots like that, and you can see now it's kind of loosely clipped into place. You just hold that together, and then you just twist this handle, and that's going to tighten it all down. So now you can see it's locked into place, everything's tight, and you could go ahead and use the drill. And then when you want to, let's say you're a lefty, you could just loosen it, move it over to the other side, and do the same exact thing. You don't have to switch these brackets around like you do on the Milwaukee. You just literally turn it over to this side, and now it's set up for a left-handed person, like that. So we'll go ahead and just put it back on the right-handed position. And then we'll just show you how to quickly put in the belt clip. So if you're a right-handed person, I like to have the belt clip on this side. So to do that, you can see this clip has a little groove right here. So you're going to put that into this slot, just like that. And then you just drop the screw in, or you could kind of fit it in with this. So you just install the screw. I'm just doing it loosely, but you're going to want to make it tight. Put a screwdriver on it and get it tight. So there's your belt clip, and then it would sit in your belt loop upside down like that. And then this side, so if you're a lefty, then you would just move this over to here. But since we're going righty, you just install this on this side. And then here we can install, and you don't need to install these, I mean, it's up to whoever. So this, pretty much the bit that they give you just clips in like that. And then to install it, we'll just remove the bit quick. You can see that hole. That's going to line up with that. So we'll just put that in there. And we'll just tighten this by hand, just with this little bit, but you're going to want it tighter when you're using it, because, you know, if it's not too tight, everything will just kind of fall off. So just want to make sure that's tighter. And then you could just put your bit in like that, and that way you never lose your bit. So that's a nice little feature that a lot of them do not come with. In fact, this is probably the only one that I saw that has this nice little bit holder that comes with it. So it's a pretty nice drill, actually. It's brushless, so you know it's going to last long, you know it's going to be powerful. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. This is the Rigid R86115 brushless power drill. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out my other tool and DIY videos. I have a bunch of content on different tools. You know, pretty much every tool. I'm kind of going through them all and you know, giving a breakdown on how to use them, and I'll answer all your questions that you have. So yeah, guys, be sure to subscribe, like this video. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.